Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Range Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your sunroof in your 2017 Range Rover Sport. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the top console of the vehicle, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this button right here. So basically what the button does is this opens up your sunroof. Press on the top again if you want to stop it. Maybe you have a preference to do half and half, and then just press on it if you want it all the way back, and same goes if you want to close it. Just press down, and then you can stop it anytime you want, so you can get like a custom shade that you'd prefer. And yeah, that is pretty much for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Range Acura, and thank you guys for watching.